The Open Response Chemistry Cognitive Assistant Tutor is designed to help you work through a limiting reactant stoichiometry problem, much like you would with paper and pencil, while providing hints and feedback along the way. The problem statement is provided in the upper left of the screen. To the right of the problem statement is an area you can use to enter notes. To perform a calculation in the Tutor, click the Create Formula button. There are two components to the formula feature. To the left of the colon is a label for the equation identified as EQ1, EQ2, etc. You may leave these labels as is, or you can change the label to something that is meaningful and can help you work through the problem. To the right of the colon is where you will enter your mathematical expression. Units and substances can be entered at your discretion. If you would like to enter units and substances in your expression, use the buttons that will appear under the expression. Any numerical values can be entered using your keyboard. Mathematical operations can be entered using your keyboard as follows: asterisk for multiplication, / for division, or to create a fraction, +sign for addition, and a hyphen for a subtraction. Once you have entered your expression, you can click Enter on your keyboard or the green check mark in the interface, and the calculation will be done for you. Do not include an equal sign in your expression. The Tutor is designed to recognize any valid step in this multi-step problem. If the Tutor doesn't recognize a calculated value as a value of a valid step, you will be provided with this information in the feedback area of the interface. This indicates that your calculation doesn't represent a valid step for solving the problem. For information to help you work through the problem, you can click on the Hint button, and to get more hints, click Next. If you would like to edit an expression, double-click on it and make the desired changes. Notice now there is no information in the feedback box. This indicates that your calculation represents a valid step for solving this problem. The unit and substance are not carried through in the calculation. If you would like to add that to the calculated value, click the Options button and choose the desired unit and substance, and then click anywhere on the screen. At any point in your problem-solving process, if you are unsure how to proceed, you can click the Hint button for help. Click Next for additional hints. In order to provide your answers to the problem, use the Claim button in the interface. For limiting reactant problems, there are two types of claims you will need to make. The first is to identify the limiting reactant. Once you have done enough calculations to determine the limiting reactant, click the Make Claim button and choose Limiting Reagent. Notice you will need to identify the limiting reactant and provide evidence for your claim based on your previously calculated values. When you are finished filling in each part of the claim statement, click Submit. Note that you can enter calculations into the claim statement boxes. You will be told whether you are correct or incorrect and given feedback about your answer. If you're incorrect and need to go back and edit your claim statement, you may do so. The other claim you will make is the amount of substance remaining for one or more species in the reaction, based on what is asked in the problem statement. Once you have done enough calculations to make a claim about one or more species in the reaction, click Make Claim and choose Final Quantity. Fill in the blanks in the claim statement and click Submit to see if your answer is correct. Once you have completed all parts of the problem, click the Done button.